Hi everybody. You need to grab your math packet for the week. Remember, we're using it on days 3, 4, and 5. Please turn to the page that says problem number 4. We're going to work through this one together. It says Sherry's rectangular garden is 8 square meters. The longer side of the garden is 4 meters. Nancy's garden is twice as long and twice as wide as Sherry's rectangular garden. So, what we need to do is draw and label a diagram of Sherry's garden. Now, I never, ever try to solve these problems without drawing it out. You need a model. So I'm going to do SH for Sherry. And it says it's rectangular, so I'm going to draw a rectangle, and it is 8 square meters. Now that is telling me the area because it says square meters. So I'm going to put that inside. Now, it says the longer side of the garden is 4 meters. So this is the longer side. I'm going to label that. Now, how can I find the length of this side? Well, area equals length times width. I plug in what I know. The area is 8. I know one side is 4. And I'm left with 4 times what is 8? Well, it's 4 times 2. So this side then is going to be 2 meters. So to draw Nancy's garden, I'm going to put N for Nancy. I know hers is still going to be rectangular. I know it's going to be bigger because it's twice as long and twice as wide as Sherry's. So, if Sherry's is 4 meters, I know that I'm going to have to split this in 2 because it's twice as long. So that's going to be 4 meters, and this side's going to be 4 meters. It's twice as wide, so I have to split that in 2. And so this is going to be 2 meters, and this is going to be 2 meters. So when I add them up, 4 plus 4 is 8, and 2 plus 2 is 4. Now I can go and find the area of Nancy's garden. Remember, area is length times width. Plug in what I know. One side is 8 and the other side is 4. When I multiply them together, it is 32 square meters. So if we compare areas, Sherry's was 8 meters square and Nancy's was 32 meters squares. Because we doubled the length and doubled the side, it was 4 pieces, and 8 times 4 is 32. If we were to figure out the perimeter for the two of them, remember our formula is length plus width plus length plus width. So when I look at Sherry's, we've got 4 plus 2 is 6. If this side's 4, this side's 4. If that side's 2, this side is 2. So I have another 6. So I get 12 meters. And then if I find the perimeter for Nancy's, if that side's 8, this side's 8. If that side's 4, this side is 4. So I have 8 plus 4 is 12. 8 plus 4 is 12. And 12 plus 12 is 24 meters. So when I compare the perimeter, 12 to 24, well, 12 plus 12 is 24, or 12 times 2 is 24. Her garden is twice as long, twice as wide, so the perimeter doubled. All right, so what I want you to do for the rest of the math time, I want you to go to the problem set. Now, yesterday you did number 1A and B. For today, I want you to do number 2A and B. So it says a narrow rectangular banner is 5 inches wide. It is 6 times as long as it is wide. So you're going to draw it out and label its dimensions. And then you're to find the perimeter and the area of the banner. If you have any questions, please hit me up through chat. And we'll continue with this packet tomorrow.